To draw a sun awning, simply select the specific object from the drawing menu. As always, a first click links the object to the mouse cursor, allowing us to set the insert point. The arrow here indicates the sun awning pitch. With the F5 and F6 function keys, we can then move the object's grip point, and with the F7 or F8 function keys, we can rotate it at 90-degree steps. To fix the object into place, we can move around freely in the BIM model and select an insertion point, or use the intersection snap point supplied by other surrounding objects. Once we have reached the desired position, a further click fixes it into place. If we use the less than key, when setting the insert point, we can then insert the sun awning at a specific distance from a reference point. In fact, with the first point set, the mouse cursor is now linked to the grip extension, allowing us to define the desired alignment. With the sun awning object selected, we can freely move it or type in the distance from the start point using the keyboard, while with the extension points we can rotate the object and define a different alignment. The sun awning object can also be inserted in 3D view too. The building envelope plane is recognized automatically, and using the grip extension we can easily define its pitch.